Hi guys, welcome back to Rush's Fun Activities. Today we are going to play Brookhaven roleplay. So let's get started. I wonder who are these? These are like who? Oh, hello. Hey, this is my friend. Hey, Satcho, get up. Get up here. Get up. Get up. Get up, Satch. Get up. Get up, Satcho. It's just my friend. Wait, what's in the chat? Hey, Satcho. Okay, so I'm gonna get a vehicle. Let's see what vehicle I should get. This one's cool. Hey, is that Techno Blade? Wait, somebody says Techno Blade never dies. Do you know him, right? Hey. Hey. Oh, okay. Whoa, cool. Whoa, nice. Nice, this time thing is cool. Hey. Ooh. Ah, that's my car. That's my car. That's my car. It's mine. And I can't get it. Wait. Hey. Hey. Get me in there. Okay, never mind. Forget it. Okay, so let's, guys, let's choose a role. How do you get role? Can you choose a role? Do you even choose a role? Rush. That's my role lady. Info. This is my info. There we go. And that is my info. You can't really choose a role, right? Oh, here. What should I be? Maybe I'll be a YouTuber. Because I am literally a YouTuber. So, do I get my own house? Let's just rent the house. Go. Okay, let's choose a house, guys. Let's see. I want to have a cool, nice house with a garage. How about this house? Okay, let me get a car so I can park it. This car looks cool. Very cool. In fact, Brookhaven is... Okay. Wow, nice. I don't really know how to drive perfectly, so... Sunny, let's open the garage. Nice. Made a perfect parking. There, nice parking. Nice parking, guys. Nice parking. Nice. Ooh, let's explore our house, guys. Ooh, what is this kitchen? Ooh, I will lock the door first. Wait, what's up here? Wait, what is this? What are these? What's this disaster pack? Wait, is this a fake? I can't go to the door. Maybe I have to unlock it then. Can I go through? Oh, even though when you lock. I think I have to leave the door unlocked for now. Okay, what is this? Ooh, it's a grilling. What is? I'm gonna set the tent to 1,000. Brilliant! And it's still endless, and everything is on fire. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Look at this. I think it's in. I'm on fire too. I am on fire. I'm on fire. I need water. Is there a pool here? There's no pool. Phew. Let's set the temperature off because I think I'm grilling it too much. 0. It's ready. But I will close it first. Then I will exit all of these. Okay, what next? Let's see in here. Ooh, there's a lawnmower. I will mow my lawn. Ooh, forget about this first. Let's explore. What's this? There's a vacuum. Nice. Rest. Ooh, TV. Brookhaven TV. Ew. I'm a YouTuber. My role's a YouTuber, so I should be YouTubing. But where should I YouTube? What's in here? I'm not poop. I don't want to poop yet. I was in the bathroom. I hear me? Bathroom. Oh, what is this? Ding, ding. Ooh, gosh, secret vault. Ooh, this is cool. But no, this is not the room I should live stream. Ooh. There we go. Ooh, let's show. Ooh, friends. Oh. Job search. Messages? Oh, somebody messaged me. Oh, I'm hacking right now. Hacking. I'm hacking. Okay, that's enough. Ooh, nice. What's over here? What's up? Is this what I think it is? It's a hot tub! Hooray! Let's set to. Let's change the temperature to. There we go. Boiling water. Does that mean it's boiling? Is it literally boiling? Hot. Green. Whoa. Okay. But I see a lake over there. Oh, guys, I have an idea. You guys want to go camping? Let's go camping. So let me just get my car. I want. Oh. Oopsie. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's get a different car. That should be a camping. But it's okay. So guys, where should we camp? I'm a YouTuber. So I'm gonna act YouTuber. Wait, why is this guy says Technoblade never dies? Do you know Technoblade? He is a popular Minecraft YouTuber, but he died at cancer at the age of 23. And he also launched the last lesson, but I just don't watch his videos. I just heard it from the news. There's a daycare? What? Oh, let's go to the airport. You like that sound? How does that sound? Okay, let's go. There we go. The body flow toward plane. There we go. For the plane. And then let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go in the cockpit. How am I? Okay. What do I do now? Do I just? There we go. I'm a pilot now. Let's go drive. The manual. Whoa, 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 whoa. Are we literally moving? Did we move? Okay. I'm just going to go. There we go. Okay. I forgot about my car. Okay, so let's explore one last thing. How about... There's my car back. Okay, let's explore one last thing, guys. One last thing. Let's explore the Brookhaven School. I want to do some art. I'm gonna do you too. There we go. Looks like YouTube, right? Guys, looks like YouTube. Cool. I made it. I made it. I'm just gonna scribble like this. Okay. Well, that's it for today, guys. So thanks for watching. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Bye. See you later.